recognize the presence of my colleagues from Apex and from the embassy as well. And I'd like to especially salute the presence of so many journalists here from all over the world. Very important presence here. And of course, it's an honor for me to speak here on behalf of Brazil in this press preview of the Hannover Messe. You know that Brazil and Germany are key countries in their respective continents. The 2026 Hannover Messe, with Brazil as a partner country, will be a major opportunity to strengthen the convergences of our economies, of our industries, and our innovative ecosystems. As you know, we share values, we share democratic institutions, as well as the common challenges in our industrial capabilities, but also readiness to act together to maximize win-win outcomes for our societies. Germany has been a force for industrial and technology development in Brazil and in Latin America since the 19th century. The names of several German companies have become, through many decades, household names in Brazil. This is an achievement no other country can match to this day. However, our countries face now challenges in terms of competitiveness, and this is the moment to act together to make the most of our complementarities. As you know, Brazil is a stable democracy, a strong emerging economy, and a key producer and provider of foodstuffs, renewable energy, and strategic minerals. We are very proud to say that we nowadays feed about 1 billion people all over the world. No serious strategy of power shoring or friend shoring can leave Brazil aside. The signature and the provision application of the EU-Mercosur agreement, as you just mentioned, could be a major step forward in our common path towards diversification and resilience, especially in times of growing protectionism and unilateral measures from some countries in the world. Especially in times of growing protectionism and also unpredictability. The participation of President Lula in the Hannover Messe is a clear evidence of the crucial role we assign to Germany and Europe in our search for sustainable industrialization and affordable renewable energy. Germany is already one of the top 10 investors in Brazil, with around 40 billion euros in direct investment stock. Additional investment announcements last year were a very positive development. Highlights include, among others, Volkswagen's expansion in São Paulo for hybrid vehicles, Siemens Energy's partnerships for green hydrogen projects in northeastern Brazil, BASF, in Brazil is known as BASF, as you know, but here in Germany is BASF, new low-carbon agricultural inputs plant in central Brazil, and SAP's AI and Big Data Innovation Center in São Paulo. Our country has been among the top 5 FDI destinations in the last decade. Brazil offers a stable, safe, and reliable regulatory framework, a clean energy matrix at very competitive cost, industrial and engineering capabilities. You know, about 90% of our electricity comes from renewable sources, and we are very proud of it. And all this enhanced by an ever stronger innovation ecosystem and talent development. Such landscape is supported by strong universities, R&D centers, and public-private cooperation initiatives. In 2023, Brazil has launched a new industry program. In 2024, the National Energy Transition Policy to intensify the outcomes of our natural, human, and industrial capabilities. The new industry Brazil is focused on 6 pillars: sustainable agri-industrial chains, health sectors: infrastructure, digital transformation, decarbonization, and defense. In all those pillars, German and Brazilian companies can and should work together. The national energy transitioning policy oversees the transformation of the national energy matrix towards a low-carbon model combined with criteria of sustainable development and social inclusion. Our legal framework for low-carbon hydrogen sets principles, goals, and instruments to promote the production, use, and certification of low-emission hydrogen in Brazil. We will become a major producer and exporter of low-carbon hydrogen and of green industrialized products as well. Last but not least, I would like to mention the current Brazilian Artificial Intelligence Plan, a milestone for national technological development with ambitious goals to make the country a world leader in innovative and efficient use of AI. The plan focuses on high-capacity computing infrastructure, advanced language models in Portuguese, workforce training, and AI for business innovation. And I'm very happy and excited about the common future ahead of us. Germany and Brazil can and will join efforts for further diversification and resilience. I thank you very much.